Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, and for today's video we're gonna be making really quick, really simple granola biscuits, granola cookies. And for this recipe you're gonna need 2 cups of granola, 1.5 cup of flour, 1 cup shredded coconut, 1 cup of brown sugar, 6 tablespoons of butter, and 1 egg. Instructions for this one are very simple. Just literally mix everything together like so. To make things better, you want to group your ingredients, so in this case you'd add in all your powdered ingredients first and then mix them all and gradually add everything else while mixing at each step. Now if you have a mixer, this is when you want to use it, but if you don't, that's fine. You can use your wooden spatula or your hands or anything really. Okay, so now that we have it in the consistency that we like, we're going to separate the dough into cute little round balls and place them in our baking tin. Now the next thing I'm gonna let you in on is the #1 rule to making the best mouth-watering royal looking cookies: refrigerate. You want to refrigerate your dough for at least 30 minutes before baking, and I'll tell you why you want to do this in a minute. Once your 30 minutes are over, place them in a preheated oven for about 20 minutes, and once that's done, take them out, let them cool for a bit and harden, and they're ready to go. Now the reason you want to refrigerate your dough before baking is because it gives it better flavor, crispier edges, a nice color as the carbohydrates in your flour break down into sugar, and lastly, it gives it less spread by cooling down the fats in the dough. Anyways guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.